Hey everyone, Disney Plus is finally here on November 12th, 2019, and I wanted to show you how to sign up for the streaming service right now. I'm going to show you this on a mobile device on my phone, but the process is exactly the same on a computer, on a mobile device, on a tablet. They made it very easy to sign up, but let me show you the two different plans that are available. You have Disney Plus here, that's $6.99 a month, and that's everything that Disney Plus has to offer, and you get a 7-day free trial. But there is a bundle package because they own the majority of Hulu and they own ESPN, where you could, for $12.99 a month, get all those bundled as one package. A very good deal. However, this is the Hulu that is ad supported, so this is not the full ad-free Hulu. And then you could see some of the shows that they have here. They obviously own Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, so there's so many options here, basically multiple channels within this Disney Plus. And they have some original content like a Star Wars show, High School Musical show, Lady and the Tramp movie, and you could download any TV show and movie and watch them on your device. And it says watch with 4 different devices at the same time, which is very, very useful. So let me jump into the mobile phone and I'll show you how to sign up for it right now. Okay, so if you click the link in the description, it will bring you to this website. And again, you could explore here a little bit and log in if you already signed up. But all you would have to do is either press free trial here to get a free 7-day trial of Disney Plus. That gives you the Marvel, Pixar, and Star Wars and National Geographics as well. Or you could do the $12.99 bundle here. That one you have to buy right now. There is no trial. I'll do the 7-day free trial here. And next page, you just want to type in the email that will be connected with this account. So make sure you use the email that you have access to. And then choose a password for yourself, minimum 6 characters here. And finally, on this page, you could see that it's $6.99 a month, but you could save 16% here if you do an annual plan. I'm just gonna do the monthly plan, but it says the date where I could cancel 7 days from today. I could cancel before getting charged. So if you don't like it once you try it out, you could always cancel it and not even pay the $6.99 a month. And type in your credit card or PayPal information, and then you could agree and subscribe. And just like that, you got Disney Plus. Now, in order to watch Disney Plus, you'll need to download the app. In the case of your iPhone or your Android phone here, that's what I need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and download the app, but on a computer, you could just go to disneyplus.com and press login on the top right. And it's going to tell you that you could bundle stars with it too for an additional amount of money here. But I'm going to go ahead and download this from the App Store. And this is the app right inside of the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it right now. And the app also lets you do the free trial and walk through the same steps here. But since I already signed up, I could just go ahead and log in here, type in my email and password, and press continue. And just like that, we're right inside of Disney Plus. So as you could see, some of the biggest shows and some of the original content are going to show up right here on top, including big movies like Avatar and Avenger. And then underneath that, you're going to see some of the different channels that you could go to, basically the things that Disney has produced or the things that Marvel has produced, and you could basically view them all here and basically press play on each one. On the bottom, you have your home option, you have your search option, where you could search for anything here and it's going to give you some recommendations. You have your download, so you could download anything, and you have your profile here where you could go ahead and change your profile icon, add other profiles, since you could have 4 devices on at the same time, and then you could go ahead and log out and things like that here. But I'm going to go to the home page just to show you. If I click on the Star Wars original show here, I could go ahead and press the plus sign to add it to my playlist, or I could download the season here. So if I press that, I could download season 1, and then that will be on my device here. And if you've ever used any streaming apps, this basically works the same way, where you could look for trending hit movies and things like that, and things that are recommended for you based on your activity. And you also get things right out of the Disney Vault, which is really, really useful, especially for a lot of these classic movies like Lion King, Beauty and the Beast, Little Mermaid, and so on. But I hope you find this useful. Let me know what you think of Disney Plus after you give it a spin. And please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for daily and easy to follow tech and social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching this one.